Ever feel like you're working 24/7, but your wallet's still empty and your laundry's still not done? Yeah, same. It's like every mom I know is running on caffeine and chaos, trying to do it all but somehow still feels behind. And the craziest part? We're doing everything right. Between packing school lunches, endless errands, and those late-night Amazon scrolls, it feels like there's never enough time or money. You plan, you hustle, and still somehow you're juggling a dozen things before breakfast. It's exhausting just keeping up. Everyone says just plan better. But how when your day starts before sunrise and ends after midnight? Moms aren't lazy, we're overloaded. The system keeps telling us to do more, but never teaches how to make it easier. What if the reason you're always behind isn't you, but the way you've been taught to manage your time and money? You've been doing your best, and it's still not working because the system's broken. If nothing changes, next year will look exactly the same. More stress, more clutter, more chaos. Hey, moms, what if I told you there's one simple hack that can give you back hours every week and save hundreds of dollars a month? Imagine spending less time stressing over bills and more time with your kids, or maybe just a quiet coffee break for yourself. I'm Betty, and welcome to Budget Betty, where we help real moms take control of their time and money. Because let's be honest, no one's got extra hours lying around, but with the right system, you can actually feel in control again. Real tips, real moms, real savings. That's our motto here, because we know your time is precious and every dollar counts. So hit that subscribe button if you're ready to make your budget and your schedule finally work for you. Today, I'll show you a time and money saving hack that thousands of busy moms are quietly using, and it works whether you're a stay-at-home mom or juggling two jobs. Stick around till the end, because once you get this system, you'll never go back. You don't need another app. You need a mindset shift. Stop multitasking and start batch living. When you group similar tasks together, you save time, energy, and sanity. Think of it as meal prep, but for your whole life. Moms waste about 12 hours a week switching between tiny tasks, what I call micro-multitasking. It's like running in circles all day. By batching, you stop the chaos and get your time back. Imagine this: one grocery trip a week, meals prepped in just 90 minutes, and laundry running on autopilot. Suddenly, your evenings aren't chaos anymore. They're peaceful. You get to actually be with your family. Society tells moms to do it all, but that's a lie. Busy doesn't mean productive. It means burned out. Like James Clear said, you don't rise to the level of your goals. You fall to the level of your systems. All right, moms, let's start with the biggest time saver in the book: meal batching. Imagine cooking just once or twice a week and still having fresh, healthy dinners ready every night. It's like giving yourself a midweek high five for being organized and stress-free. Most families spend an extra $250 a month just because they feel too tired to cook after a long day. But when your meals are already prepped, you skip the drive-thru, save money, and still feed your family something real. That's what I call smart mom energy. Picture opening your fridge and seeing all your dinners lined up. No panic, no guilt, no last-minute chaos. Just calm, confidence, and more time for what matters most: your family. That's the freedom batch living gives you. You don't need fancy meal kits or pricey gadgets. Those just add clutter and cost. Use what you already have, plan smart, and make the kitchen work for you. As Chef Ina Garten says, planning is the secret ingredient no one talks about. Let's talk about step 2, automate what you can. Moms, you already have enough on your plate, so why waste time doing the same things over and over? Automation takes care of the boring stuff, so you can focus on your family, your work, or even just 5 minutes of peace. Think of it this way: automate your bills, your savings, even your grocery list. That means no more late payments, no more last-minute panic. Just set it once and let it run while you live your life. The average mom spends 2.5 hours every week just managing bills and remembering due dates. That's like an entire movie's worth of time. Gone. With automation, you take back those hours and use them for what really matters. But don't go overboard. Too much automation can backfire. Keep one review day a week to stay in control. Like Warren Buffett said, do not save what is left after spending. Spend what is left after saving. Smart habits make automation powerful. Let's start simple, moms. Think of your money as three adventures: needs, fun, and future. You don't need complicated budgets or fancy apps, just three envelopes that tell your money where to go. The first envelope is for needs: groceries, rent, bills, all the essentials that keep your family safe and running. Once that's covered, you can breathe easier knowing your basics are handled. The second envelope is fun. Yes, you deserve it. A little movie night, a coffee with friends, something that reminds you life's not just bills and chores. Balance keeps burnout away. The last envelope is future: savings, dreams, that college fund, or the vacation you keep postponing. Remember, budgeting isn't restriction, it's clarity. Every dollar now has purpose and direction. You don't have to do everything yourself, mama. Sometimes the smartest move is letting someone else help. When you trade a little money for time, you're actually buying peace, and that's priceless. Research shows moms who delegate chores feel 31% less stressed. That's huge. When you let go of control, you gain energy, patience, and more smiles. Imagine having time to sit down, laugh, and actually enjoy the weekend. Instead of spending your Saturday cleaning for hours, imagine baking cookies or cheering at your kid's soccer game. Those are the moments that matter, the ones your kids will remember. Time spent together beats any spotless floor. Outsourcing isn't luxury, it's strategy. Whether it's swapping babysitting with a neighbor or using a grocery delivery app, it all counts. Remember, you can't pour from an empty cup. Fill yours first. Every Sunday, give yourself one powerful hour, your weekly reset. It's the secret weapon that helps you start the week feeling calm and ready, instead of stressed and scrambling. In that hour, you do 4 things: prep your meals, plan your week, check your budget, and reset your space. It's not about perfection, it's about progress and peace. Families who do a weekly reset save up to 8 hours during the week. That's 8 hours of freedom. Time you can spend laughing, relaxing, or making memories instead of catching up. Marie Kondo once said, "The objective of cleaning is not just to clean, but to feel happiness within that space." So take that 1 hour and gift yourself a week that feels lighter, happier, and truly yours. Sometimes the hardest part isn't the schedule or the chores, it's how we talk to ourselves. Moms carry so much, yet we're our own toughest critics. Remember, it's okay to be kind to yourself when things aren't perfect. Did you know that 67% of moms feel mom guilt every single day? That guilt eats away at our energy that could go toward laughter, creativity, or simply resting without guilt. When we release that guilt, we make space for progress and peace. A peaceful, flexible mom gets more done and enjoys the ride. When you give yourself grace, you show your kids what balance really looks like. It's not about doing it all. It's about doing what matters most with love and calm. Hustle culture says more is better, but moms know the truth. Burnout isn't strength. Real power comes from balance, rest, and believing you are enough, like Brené Brown said. You are enough just as you are. So let's wrap it up. Batch your life, automate the boring stuff, simplify your money, outsource when you can, and give yourself grace. This isn't about being a perfect mom. It's about freeing your time and energy for what actually matters. Your family, your peace, your joy. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and share this with another mom who needs a breather. What's your biggest time waster during the week? Drop it in the comments. Let's swap ideas mom to mom. This is Budget Betty, real tips, real moms, real savings. Take care of your home, your wallet, and most importantly, yourself. See you next time.